Are you looking for the best Rowenta irons? In this video, we will look at some of the best Rowenta irons on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rowenta Professional DW5280 Iron. The Rowenta Professional DW5280 features a MicroSteam 400 HD sole plate that ensures excellent steam distribution for improved ironing results. It also allows you to vary the steam pressure to suit the fabrics that you are ironing. The iron also has a large 11-ounce water tank with a level viewing window, so you can see how much water remains. It can work well with tap water, while the anti-drip system ensures no drips even at low heat. There is an integrated anti-scale system that prevents scale accumulating inside the iron and maintains the steam performance. The DW5280 also features a high-precision metal tip that makes it easier to iron difficult areas, such as seams, collars, narrow edges, and around buttons. The ergonomic handle allows you to maneuver the iron even across hard-to-reach areas to minimize user fatigue. There is also a 3-way automatic safety shutoff. If the iron is kept on the sole plate for 30 seconds, or if it is vertical for 8 minutes, the unit will shut off. The thermostat knob is also clearly labeled and easy to read to minimize accidents. Number 2. Rowenta Focus Xcel DW5260 Iron. Another excellent addition to our list is the Rowenta Focus Xcel DW5260. Like most of the other irons featured on this list, the iron has a powerful energy output of more than 1700 watts. Add to that the MicroSteam 400 HD sole plate, and you can straighten almost any creases you encounter in your silks, cottons, polyesters, and more. For the MicroSteam option to work, you have to add water to the 11-ounce water tank built into the machine. You can use any type of water that is available to you. Even tap water should work just fine. Also, you can check the water levels periodically by peeping through the viewing window provided. Another thing is that it comes with anti-drip. While other machines might drop the ball at low heat, this iron keeps the water in the tank unless you press the steam button. That said, you do have two options for steam output. One is the 40 gram per minute of continuous steam that you'll use daily, while the other is the 100 gram burst steam that is meant for those uncooperative wrinkles you come across. Additionally, this iron should have no issues reaching those problematic access areas, such as edges, seams, and around buttons. This partly thanks to the high-precision metal tip of the iron. Finally, you get auto shutoff that activates when you forget to turn off the machine. That said, remember always to shut off the device, as it lessens the chances of a destructive electrical accident in your house. Number 3. Rowenta D2459 Iron. Next, we have the 7025-watt Rowenta DW2459, which is quite impressive in its own right. It comes with a stainless steel sole plate, which is the same as most of the other Rowenta devices listed. On this sole plate, there should be about 350 holes with a steam rating of 180 grams per meters. While this is not the best-in-class steam rating, you can still smooth out most of the stubborn wrinkles you come across in your clothes. Also, this machine is rated as the easiest to store on this list. This is due to the retractable cord reel that eliminates the need for cable management once you're done ironing. This is a welcome surprise for those used to tripping on wires at home as you walk around. The easy use features don't stop there. You are given a comfortable handle, an easy refill system for the tank, and a 3-setting thermostat knob. The knob should even help you select the steam output setting that you intend to use. Also, when you use tap water, the machine uses the anti-calcium system to prevent blockages. This works to keep steam distribution optimal and allows you to use the iron for longer. Additionally, the iron is fitted with a low-temperature anti-drip system that makes it a cakewalk to iron your clothes without staining the fabric. Lastly, the 3-way shutoff system discussed in the Rowenta iron models mentioned above has not been left out of this offering either. Number 4. Rowenta DW9280 Steam Force Iron. There are not many iron options that can top the power rating of the Rowenta DW9280 on this list. The power is, of course, essential when dealing with those stubborn wrinkles that insist on staying on your fabrics. The steam capabilities of the DW9280 are also nothing to scoff at. You can see that the manufacturer put a lot of thought into it, since there are 400 steam holes in the device. These holes are evenly distributed to allow for more even steam ironing. Also, they work in conjunction with the 350 milliliter tank that sits just under the control dial. Since there are anti-calcium and self-clean systems that come with this tool, you can use tap water without worrying about potential damage to the iron. Another positive to look forward to when using the iron's steaming function is the 210G burst steam option that will get through even thick fabrics. One reason the machine can pull this off is because of the inbuilt pump technology. Also, if you stop moving the iron, it has a smart steam motion sensor that will stop the steam discharge. Additionally, the iron has a 3-way automatic shutoff system that protects you, your house, and your fabrics from accidents. This system activates whenever you leave the machine unattended for a while. That said, the time to shut off depends on whether you left the iron in the vertical position, face down, or on its side. Number 5. Rowenta DA5060 iron. There is also a budget-friendly Rowenta model in the form of the DA1560. However, the affordability does come at the cost of some features available in higher-end models. One example of this is in the power output of the device. It offers 1,000 watts, while other models listed have 1,500 watts power or higher. This, however, shouldn't be a problem as the iron is still perfectly capable of straightening your fabrics. Also, almost all components of the iron are smaller. While some may choose to look at this as a bad thing, we find it a positive attribute since it fits easier in the luggage when you're traveling. For those with handbags or totes that they carry around all day, this will fit in just in case there is an ironing emergency. The dual voltage switch also means you can use this tool anywhere you travel, whether it's in the US or otherwise.